Neon nails are blowing up. Get inspired by the boldest looks lighting up your feed. Here are tips and tricks for a flawless summer mani. Start by filing and buffing your nails to your desired shape. This ensures a smooth canvas for your polish. Next, apply a nail dehydrator to remove any oils, promoting better adhesion. Apply a thin layer of strong adhesion base coat. This step prevents staining and extends the life of your manicure. Pick your favorite shade from CG's collection. Vote for your favorite shade in the comments. Will you choose Rose Among Thorns, a matte neon hot pink with bold watermelon undertones, Frosty Lime, a high-voltage neon lime green lit up with fine silver glitter, Plurple, a neon purple bursting with vibrant energy, or Orange Knockout, an intensely bright neon orange that truly stands out. Once you have chosen your shade, apply your polish in thin, even coats. The wide, round brush ensures streak-free application with every swipe. This formula delivers a smooth, chip-resistant finish. CG Mega Pigment Nail Lacquer is packed with vivid pigments and hexanol for stronger nails. Allow each layer to dry before applying another coat of polish. For a modern velvety look, you can leave matte shades as is. Now seal your manicure with Fast Forward Top Coat. Fast Forward Top Coat delivers quick dry, high gloss, chip-resistant shine in seconds. And there you have it. Neon goals achieved. These CG shades are delivering major summer vibes.